able to do what, motherfucker? Nothing. Been sleeping, so keep accusing me, sir.
Fourth Amendment analysis. Officers may execute warrantless arrests with probable cause in domestic violence cases. Probable cause requires only reasonable grounds to believe a crime occurred, not proof beyond reasonable doubt. United States versus Watson, 1976. Officers may arrest without warrant when probable cause exists based on reliable information. Here, 3 elements establish probable cause: witness statements, visible injuries on victim, and victim's distress state.
Should we just get them to stage? They're living here. It's going to be a domestic. So if she has injuries...
No, they've been dating for years.
Yeah, so it's going to be a domestic. Okay, I'm going to get an ambulance to come and check you out, okay? Where's he at?
He's back here laying on the floor sleeping.
Okay, he doesn't know we're here?
Well, not yet. I'm hoping he doesn't realize, because he will tear this place up.
Did you see everything that happened?
I seen him twice where he put hands.
No, Jimmy, just take you.
No. He's going to really hurt her. I'm the one pressing the charges.
Okay, well,
Because he's going to try to kill her.
Does she stay here with you guys?
No, she lives with her now. He lives with me.
Okay. Did Jonathan do this to you? Hey, you're okay. Hold on. Let him keep sleeping for now. She said she doesn't live here. Okay, how long have you guys been together? Long time. Do you guys always stay together?
Not always.
No. Has he ever been arrested for domestic before against you? Is this the first time this has happened? No. When did he do this to you?
It's just happened.
It just happened? Okay.
I didn't know how to help you.
I know I need to go.
Here, I'm gonna get some pictures.
I need to go right now.
You want to sit in my car?
I'm fine.
So he can't come out here?
No, I don't want to go. I don't want to be here.
You want to sit in my car?
I want to go to fuck home with my kids. I don't want to be here.
Do you want to pursue charges for this?
I don't want to have to do anything.
Yeah, because he's...
You don't?
I can't do
I
it.
can't do it. I don't want to talk to you guys even.
They got kids together.
They have kids together.
The death of him.
Okay. If you just want to go, they're going to check you out, make sure you're not, like, you know...
Got a concussion.
Yeah, make
He's
sure you're
throwing up
okay.
Everything else.
Here, let's walk over there. You got it?
Ready for this? I don't know how he's going to do. Watch your step when you step in.
Hey, look up for us. Get up here, okay? Stand up. Stand up.
What is going on?
We'll explain it to you. Just give us your hands.
I'm not doing no moving into the police thing.
Okay, stand up.
What is going
Stand
on?
up. Yep, we'll explain it to you. Just put your hands behind your back.
What is going on?
Yep, just put your hands behind your back. We'll explain it to you.
Explain what to me? No, what's going on?
Okay. Stand up.
I can't stand up, motherfucker. My feet are broke. Can you tell me what the f I'm in handcuffs for?
Yep, we'll explain it to you. I just want to make sure.
I'm on my knees.
What's wrong with your feet?
My feet are broken, dude. Fucking lying about that. Can somebody answer one of my questions or something? What the f going on?
Your feet are broken.
My feet are broke.
There's damage to you.
Okay.
Did mess up his feet a few weeks ago.
Okay. Okay. You haven't been walking first? Have you been using crutches or what?
Yeah.
Bro, can y'all answer my question and tell me what the hell is going on?
You went on the stool instead of walking the knees and they
It'll work. Take the cigarette. Yeah, tell me why, what's going on?
Okay, so you're under arrest for domestic violence. Okay.
Against who? Since when? And I just got arrested sleeping.
I just told you not to put your hands on.
I can't get back. I'm not about to worry about that.
Okay.
Mom, I'll be back.
Once we get out to the car, I'll read you your rights and then we'll have a conversation. All right. Which foot is it? Sorry.
Both my feet are broken, believe it or not. Damn it. Mom, cigarettes are right there. Yeah, that's also out. The emergency doing here. Yeah, we take the stuff off so I can get on my porch. I can't run.
His feet are broken?
Bro, both of my feet are broke, bro. I'm not lying. Fractured, whatever the f you want to call it. Can I
You
just...
can walk on the right one with assistance.
I'm not putting no weight on my shit. My shit up for nobody.
I'm not gonna take you out the house yet.
All right, that's fine. That's y'all getting sued, not me, motherfucker.
You can sue us,
getting
but
sued.
it's not going to happen.
You obviously were able to do whatever you did in there on your feet.
Able to do what, motherfucker? Nothing. Been sleeping, so keep accusing me, sir. Go ahead.
With your
I didn't
girlfriend?
do nothing to nobody. I was just in my room sleeping.
Okay. Prior to you sleeping.
Okay, and I didn't do nothing before I went to sleep.
Okay.
But had a great night,
You're
great
gonna
day.
You're gonna stick to that.
The truth, yes,
Okay.
I will.
Okay. Well, we're gonna head over to the cruiser.
I don't know how the hell y'all expect me to get down these stairs.
help you if you want us to.
Oh,
Spot right now.
yeah, she's in there. Can you like explain what happened? Because she's kind of doesn't really know what happened right now.
I don't know what exactly he did to her before I woke up and got back into the room, into the situation.
Okay.
When they got to going, are still arguing when I entered the room.
Was this last night or this morning?
Yeah, this
last
was
night.
a couple hours ago.
Okay, a couple hours.
I've been waiting to get her out of his reach before I could call for help.
Okay.
But I did see him jump across the room at her at one point and punch her in the head. She was already complaining that she couldn't think, that she needed to go to the ambulance. Her brain was just kind of, she started complaining she couldn't see.
Okay.
And I seen him punch her in the head a couple times on the bed, and I got him apart, and then it was like an hour later, she tried to leave to go to the hospital out the back door, and she took off running around the side of the house, and he took off running after her. That's why he's all dirty, because they went down in the mud.
Okay.
And he was punching her in the head and the back and everything.
Oh, I can't put no weight on my feet. Don't set me on my feet.
Yeah, turn
I'm just scared. Please don't set me on my feet.
No, just turn like this.
Where your toes are.
I have my heels fractured. The middle of my foot's fractured. I'm not going to be able to walk for the next year of my life. I can't put no weight on my foot.
All right. Are you on your butt?
Yeah, yes, sir. I think I can get it from here.
He was laying on the floor, she was on the bed. They were just kept arguing over stupidness. That went on, I don't know, probably 45 minutes of me trying to, and then he got mad all over again. That's when he jumped up under the bed and started punching her in her head and pulling her by her hair. That happened a few minutes later, but after he had punched her in the head and stuff on the bed, I got him off of her and everything else and tried to de-escalate again. That probably went on, I don't know, another hour of them I got him to focus on just me, just argue with me. I kept she was begging to go to the hospital. He wouldn't let her go. If you leave, I'm killing you, bitch. You're going to go for a reason. I'm not going to jail for nothing. I can get you to you. He doesn't understand the seriousness. Then she tried to go out the back door because she was wanting to go to the hospital.
You said that's how he got covered in mud?
Yeah.
Because he chased her down?
Yeah, she went across the deck and was coming down the driveway to run. And he caught her. He took off running.
Yeah.
His feet only broke. I mean, they are broke. They are broke, but he didn't feel it when he went chasing her, and he took her down in the mud over here and had her by her hair and was punching her. I had hold of him, and I'm trying to pull him, but he was pulling her hair, so that was just making it worse. And so I got him to finally get his hands off of her hair, and then she got up and ran back into the house under the bed, and then it just kept going. He was still bickering back and forth. He finally calmed down enough, and then he started, there's nothing wrong. Let me cuddle her, Mom. I got her. I'll take care of her. She's going to be fine. I got her. She's just being dramatic. So then he made her lay down and tried to tuck her in. And then she was just laying there crying, until he finally went under the floor and kind of fell asleep. That's when I called.
Okay.
I got the kids out of the room because their 2 kids were in the room sleeping during all this.
Their kids were in there the whole time?
Yes.
Okay.
Sleeping through it. They're used to it.
Okay.
It's so sad. But
Were the kids ever in harm's way, do you think?
no, I made sure they were on the other side of the...
They were out of the way?
They were in the room, but they didn't get touched in any way. Even when he jumped on her when she was on the bed, she was at the other end.
Those marks on her neck, did she have those when you went in there the first time, or do you know how she got... Okay, she had those
I know
by the time you got in there?
I know I seen something on the face, and I know I seen something on the neck. I don't know if it was which side. I seen one at one point already there when I came in the bedroom. Yeah.
So she...
Miranda versus Arizona, 1966. Custodial interrogation requires advisement of the right to remain silent and right to attorney. Critical distinction. Officers need not advise Miranda immediately upon handcuffing, only before interrogation begins. Spontaneous statements made by suspects before Miranda advisement remain admissible as they are not products of interrogation. Graham versus Connor, 1989. use of force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision. Courts apply 3 factors: severity of crime, immediate threat posed, and active resistance or attempt to evade arrest. Strangulation as elevated felony. Most jurisdictions classify strangulation as a distinct, elevated offence separate from assault. Legal rationale. Medical research establishes strangulation victims are 7 times more likely to be killed by the same partner. Courts recognize strangulation as attempted homicide, not simple assault, warranting enhanced penalties. Evidence-based prosecution doctrine. Modern jurisdictions permit prosecution of domestic violence cases without victim testimony when sufficient independent evidence exists. Admissible evidence includes officer observations, photographic documentation of injuries, witness statements, and physical evidence at scene. Legal basis. The state's independent interest in prosecuting violent crime supersedes individual victim preferences in criminal proceedings. Child endangerment statute. Courts consistently hold that exposing children to domestic violence constitutes endangerment even without direct physical harm to the child. Standard. Creating substantial risk to child's physical or psychological well-being satisfies the endangerment threshold. Abduction and unlawful restraint. Elements require restraining another's liberty without legal privilege, through force or threat of force. Verbal threats combined with physical prevention of departure satisfy statutory requirements for unlawful restraint charges.
I don't have a light back here.
So she was on the bed
Back there,
back here.
and he sprung over and got
Sprung
her up
over
against
here.
the wall. The kids were down here.
We're down there.
Yeah,
The
you can
blanket
see
and
where she
stuff
was
there.
throwing up and everything else.
Is this the door she tried running out and then?
Yeah,
So the kids were in here while this was going on?
yeah, they were on that bed.
Did they get hit at all?
Nope.
Like with anything?
Nope.
No? Were
They
they
never even woke up.
Oh, they were sleeping?
Yeah, they never even woke up with all
Okay.
this.
So there's a drop of blood here. Okay. Well, we're gonna go try and talk with her at the hospital. Officer Bird said that he's talked to her before and they have a good rapport, so he's gonna see if he can get her to at least say
Scared
something.
of him.
Yeah.
He's done so much to that girl.
Yeah. Well, depending on if the jail's gonna take him right away. If they do take him right away, he's gonna go in there. If not, we're gonna sit with him at the hospital and get him no bonded. So he's gonna have to sit all weekend. So. Just because obviously we don't want this happening again. He was drinking or she was drinking or they both were at all during
I
this?
heard him say, I just finished off this bottle with my grandma's bottle with you. So I don't know if they were back here drinking. No, I did hear him say that.
Okay.
I didn't see nothing while I was sitting in the room.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, we appreciate you calling.
Thank you so much. I'm so thankful to you.
She said you came home and heard them back there and you got her. Is that what happened?
No, I just heard them yelling and then carrying on and whatever they were doing. And I heard yelling and screaming and that I've heard many a time. So, I don't, whatever.
Yeah.
And then he came in with the baby girl because she was yelling and crying and put her in there and said, here you go, you're going to have to take care of her. And then he went back.
Okay. All right, I appreciate you talking to me here real fast.
Tactical Legal Lesson 1. Separate parties immediately in domestic violence responses to prevent witness intimidation and ensure independent statements. Tactical Legal Lesson 2. Photograph all visible injuries immediately, as injuries may heal or victim may become uncooperative before trial. Tactical Legal Lesson 3. Obtain detailed witness statements including specific quotes, actions observed, and timeline of events. Tactical Legal Lesson 4. Document scene layout, positions of parties, presence of children, and all physical evidence. Bond hearing considerations. Courts may order no bond holds in domestic violence cases involving strangulation, threats to kill, or substantial witness intimidation risk. Legal justifications. Victim safety, prevention of witness, tampering, and ensuring defendant's appearance. Prosecutorial strategy. Charging decisions should reflect the totality of criminal conduct with multiple charges for prolonged incidents. Here, 5 separate charges address: assault, domestic relationship, strangulation method, child presence, and unlawful restraint. Critical precedent. This case demonstrates proper application of evidence-based prosecution, doctrine, Fourth Amendment, arrest authority, and recognition of strangulation as attempted homicide. Enhanced charging and bond considerations are warranted when strangulation is present due to increased lethality risk. For additional analysis of domestic violence, law enforcement response, and legal standards, consult the National District Attorneys Association guidelines on evidence-based prosecution.